Masa cumi amana mo opposition mai role di government ki mamai mai panghan ba government ki ashoy pun muta puthok pa the opposition has to play a very important and pivotal role to do jate yes akoi na highly pun masda kan ani wakta loina counter or amana presentations or tarko pun mase both are equally important mase logutamne present government or any government opposition amana while charges but yes, but it should be refuted and should be clarified in a very proper way. Adu handak shumjing wado ayaibu chaitra mga palamanina mas sum kuirak chahi tari nipan se second innings se BJP no pai gre mas handak te khar khon se khar haigale khar naha oi khale mas ai di chaitra ni thundor ai mak ko ai yam lu nai khangjari ai na ate to state te le chahi khudungi amuk koi ni kano gida koi uneta bujada mafam da notice council di tatatra uneje and sometime in my personal capacity tawcham taru se laga social service uneje anyway masi thoibal lo ni chummangat mamangi de sujam lalan basam yawi mamangi da palam lengak punamaksu thawa sagedaba se drug on drugs ki matam de tokisi poppy plantations is to kishi deforestation toklak pa se mas angak pan amount sa torok pani chin kuki jo mapandi lakpa punamak ase makoibu pata targa lehenba punamo se mamangi da parli government so many governments sankising kangde ama kangde da kai kari yang maso saija kangde yaibo bi kangde madi kana leramba punamo lole pamakoi sule maran lole masa queen mamangi di shugba thodok ase angak pa thokne se mon khalludaba. That was a totally failure of the governments, previous government and present government so khartengare masu. Anyway, government ite government ni mayam mi lakunthra nga libida lakunthra mari or khare hinanga paluna tabangam be sakti libitai. The opposition should play a very important role. Akoi manipur di thina ngang na ba khona ba bevhar jaw do ko kya tauna de Parliament or a just about the Hui Hudong do not Wangang Sang Toru Kuliche Sang Sagaidaga Mamata Banerjina pile the Langjala speaker the Losaba, which is absolutely unbecoming and Tawri de Tabak. Mother Adiran Jan Koikas and LOP leader on Lermangan Pung Ani Hungang Loy the Wanaidaba, Pamwes Pam the Bugum Toba, Adi Amanamu charges, wild charges, Amanamut Masi. BJP na pali BJP te kande attack to hai banati BJP or ate party na leading on se to Congress to attack to ad asru ma culture se akoi mainland India da thok pas akoi Manipur da akoi thon ning de akoi ishana shoigre bas akoi tumin na ai akoi matam ni to ge khra shoigre hai bas we should admit it souls the other side of the coin present government kan honebiri ai khangi Mr. Birinai mari sunati no mutang tinaro ko chakam thobugi the question does not arise kari darkar lady he is a big man he is a government gimakoglo 35 kin opposition ko sama government ni muslim ko sama government ni hindu ko government ni christian ko government ni chin kuki jo they are terrorists masipol mo thengner po taru se san ahibana chebun chai haibido mase mama ide khatang jinghan birama ba khatang masi thokpo jai na mase khangda banate 2003 da or 2002 the Leramba Manipur, Ferjol, the Kangpokpi, the Churachanpur, the More of the Leriba, Tenopalum, the Karachanjan Leribasige, drone the low photo mayams over the Jumanga Tarakatan Leramba, Canada Umang Mayam Merkel Lerimusing the 90% still low in the Monakatat Karaga, Makoni Jum low in a Sajan, then Angakpone Madu. I madu mona prime minister the people government the people they show some through the apet jang ho pani prime minister hai na tai ye to bahut gambhir samasya masi da angak pani si torum mi si hai da government manipur na thagi hai lama khang de khara ai show some ho bani adu home minister su ud ki re kain to risibu nang ko ne tabaga wrong narrative fake narrative hayo punamak se shiri yam na shiri show de mode copy lei government of India copy lay, government of Manipur the lay and a tai karai lay no the kangre, akoni changa thiru drabanina. But situation is very grim. Ujaibu will highly say up to some extent I agree. 355 article Lakpat and Jada. Either to play the role of by the governor. 352, 356 article labadi, that is a peer that is to be played by the governor and advisor and chief secretary. Hojek the 355 article is shown as a Karamujing, Karamushan, the security advisor, ambassador, Oinamu law and order, unified command, Makoko, and Mutajale, jungle the Kai Ani labor say, I am Matam the confrontation tolerate. Amana Paigatamni. Although Muxil close as a Paxalam in the 35 article, 355 article da, Masani edition or Batai. 355 article Secretary Heidi, head of the government, Chief Minister of Manipur, can also summon a meeting where the security advisor is and other all the uniform army, paramilitary force, CFP, Punamak, low Madi meeting the Yaw with the Mihaide. Matu the governor Namana security advisor P. Do you order Chakadorira, 355 article Matungina, the honorable CM Hairisi orders of Chakadorira. Very conflicting and very confusion. Mashe Yamna Nuaite. May Sheng the Chief Minister Lady Haraga, Mapo Makut Puna Tambagum Tobis, Masakoi Tamoti, the Mangjabani. At the government of India, he has a Pali, BJP head Kari interest, lady, Karamain to the Mapu Tambiri, Masidi Mokoine Kangi, Akoina Pambadi, Queen Hangador is a government of India. Nakoi Kari Kangi Manipurbo. Asukja Mahana, the Kona Toriba, Lamhenberg, illegal immigrants, Punamoxin, Lakta the me, Lak Manga Makai Tarukon Sujale. 2002-3 Dwaida. Madi census the only Madi Matam the couple of thousand Liramba. 2011 the Mokuisa Lak Animakai Shurakpa. Nasi 2024 the almost 6 lakhs ni this Chin Cookie Joe, this illegal immigrants. Karai Lapano, Mr. Biren Singh going defend to Unate, Manapan with the Chahita Nipankang Iri, Madi Mamanga Palama Kanana Pali. Congress na Palami, Makusha Karitarumi, Makusha Hanna Yengde, Adi Mamang, I think Atoponasi, MPB, Tumpin, Mayamsu Palami, Makunisha Hawaka, this is Hagide. Adu anyway, Hogre. Koi Congress ki each and a hybida. Mamang the show you mayam do. Matu Hajiki government number to Putok Pirano, Chumdok Piu Haiba. Adu idi Makushi Janingito. At the Mamang the shit or me, she showed me, Shidratama, Copa the Tok Piro. Adu government is a government. Opposition issue government, ruling issue government, Sagi Punus government. Chin Cookie Joe, gi group terrorists like Singshik Karam among the Mokoi Cebu deportation Toguni, Karamain Tona Tandokne 10 MLAs from the present government. Mokoi fraudulently they're doing their salary. They're culprit. A member of legislative assembly the Lena Tolop Lona Kudong Chaba Lona Ati state the Pamangasi Tatara Manga Tataratuk Pam Makoina Tolop Chan Lyrica Makoina Keso Kene underground Punamak the Lona Manipur elected Oika Makoni Chelamoko surrender Tore. We are under the Chin Cookie Joe terrorists, Kene, Keso, Shu, Mayam Liverpool Musica, Akoi fundamental rights as an MLA, surrender Torun, Nakoin Nanga, the Yarage, Hide show it on a pigro. What kind of a law prevailing in Manipur? Present government, I Hangachage. Karina Tori say, what kind of a law is prevailing in Manipur? Mashida Kun Waite, do you have not courage to expel them? No, the explanation why you didn't attend office the yesterday. We have to give a very plausible explanation. Matik Chanasari, some Kudung Chatan Tobuni, Shinish Koning Haidana. Nasi Chahi Maga, Tamari Shujalak Pasiga, Mokoina Manipurata Laibatan May Chusali Puna to these 10 MLAs, including 2 ministers. Ataya Topa State the Lairaka Mokoina May Chusalaga, Manipur the elected on a checker, Manipur the duty Todra Takut Lupama, Lakmani Manga Tolop Moi, the Lohol was a member of Legislative Assembly, Honorable Speaker. I don't know what is your decision, what you want the Manipur government, Manipur people to do, government of Manipur, what you wanted them to do. Me other lady may usually put a sem Taraja or even a. I think the Manipur letter the Manipur Lapidon power of the Naduidia. Aquin inland permit had inland permit who were those? Manipur the Lataba, Mapandi Indian citizen Amalay with the inland permit lower Lakani. Foreigners' entry is totally irregular. They be arrested, they be a quick foreigner, give a wrong entry the Lapapun with the Mutoale. They have become ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯔꯥꯃꯥꯌꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯥꯕꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯤ 10ꯗꯨꯅꯤ MLA ꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ opposition ꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯞꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯕꯝ ꯊꯣꯏ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯏꯕꯣꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ maybe sometime 1992 problem ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ NSNIM ꯒꯤ very prominent leader ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯗꯦꯄꯨꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ 𝐿.K. ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯅꯤꯒ ꯀꯟꯚꯔꯁꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ PO ꯃꯣꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯟꯖꯥꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯣ ꯁꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯎꯒ ꯀꯣꯍꯤꯃꯥꯒ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯈꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯁꯝꯇꯣꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯦꯂꯤꯀꯣꯞꯇꯔ ꯅꯣꯖꯦ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯂꯟꯖꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ he could manage to block ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯗꯤ there is a will there is a way ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ present government ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯏꯕꯣꯄꯤꯗ ꯗꯣꯡ much seniorꯅꯤ खरा मिच्छु उशनबिउ खरसु नाकोंदो खरा जेलुसु खरसु तुमिन ताबिउ mana saudna hairabado pelaktaduna achum makradi haibani present government adudi jabam thoi
okay
now you should play the important role tobigo public are with you haibisun to ai hanga chagi
okay bang thank you thambi bo ofam se ya maruina ai gi hanagi XCM na thamgi bo ofam se hoji ki central government si yam insincere oi habani manipur da leiriba laingak si mohoi khare hena sangto honna bo khonna bagi tongan be agenda ama leibra haidram hakna home minister yauba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ all party delegation ꯒꯤ meeting ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯟꯈꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯡ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤ
exactly miras achuma wani ai mamang this carrot persistently ai government of India da ai finger point out that masi makoi gi sanaba plan ne aina government in hanga chaduri se paliba government da oppositions ki leader and opposition members na genuineness oiba achumba thabak to theidokpa leithokpa taningdaba tobigano opposition is a very important role ni shaudan haigiba khokiba khara kigi slang word amani yabo khopato akoi manipur dira khoi kya taunade adu shaudan haigiba se government should listen it carefully after all moine koi no sa palamani na moi amman gon opposition gi mating lo tu badi manipur government su tabuk to busung moi hai ane manipur da oppositions ki parties kar we ing tap na bulayine ati state ta torom tar bad namit khudin gi procession ga strike adu gi hunger strike ta na khotna polom dung len bad aduna igi appeal to the government opposition bu take care listen haisanu lobu jabad lobu tamni if need be makoi mateng lorga even Delhi bo chatpa khotpa mayam tawdna tawriba issue se kuide kuirabani mase ko we should admit it man the receiving ends koi ngaktani chin kuki jodi bharat sarkar gi makoi gi satin gi makha de kupna leina torupa ngaktani haibasa I am in a firm belief adi tamukte any punishment mon pe but I am ready to face that consequences ashima government gi leire opposition party or any other public member khoi samase khanbam thoi chin kuki jo illegal immigrants sing se lamba sing se ngasi ngarang gi natte mase mamang di chehi kuntha ne phu yang hi digi tapna taun ton hengelakpa 1952 that Mr. T. Kipjan IS first IS officer home secretary then additional chief secretary another secretary chief secretary or mamu sing china any chin kuki jo India ti or anywhere lakpa puno to most manipur this will try pigani ka haine torum me se modi matuna biren sing de leite dana ko who was that by that time makoine piram lone chin kuki jo puno but loina certificates pigani and parliament puthokre by that time it was a president rule lermanina additional kanugi advisor dusu man convinced tawre mai motive punamak se loina khoi gi kokli han mayam punam se hanne se yengodre tawre governor the person gare governor ne khoi gi advisor ne chief secretary home secretary legi do Brahma Vishnu Mahesh ni PR gi matungda mone approve tara parliament tha the government of India tha the government in the parliament puthwe register puthwe it has become an act kari tawle rim ni mase oppose to this kari gino singda lebi chino mayam punamak se travel punamak मखोई से कनाम से मोई से खलौदे मखोई के चाक सरुक से चिन कुकी जोन लाइब इलीगल मैम सिंजेरा मुल्लगा लोनी चाहिए से कोई मैम मणिपुर लाइब मी खंगम दे मसे मणिपुर पार्लियामेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर से मैक्सिमम मिते गतनी और दिसंग किसी मा चैतरा रत्रा मंगा पार्लियामेंट मदे यंगोसो साइज चैत्र निपान पार्लियामेंट लाइबक्तिन मा लेहिद्रे ओ आलेमुद्दीन मा पुंकी कुलम दे एनीवे बिके लान बसे लोने लान मंगा तनी अतुबु चीफ मिनिस्टर और गवर्नमेंट तभी बताई हाईरिब पुनमक ऑपोजिशन हाईरिब से लाइन लोबिगनो हाईरिब से कोई पपेट गवर्नमेंट हाइब जपुंग काइदे अखोई ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मतिक चान कोई माउ द पावर पाहिनिंगी why in between that the governor and his excellency the governor my man khanmadi ya the order the man approval man pigidori then who rules the Manipur haiba 355 article say mayek singna sunate 352 article 356 the polapun bishal amaga PR so do we uhendo no hojige matam that there is only one chief minister one leader Mr. Biren Singh man tarika inda tobunga moy man tawruriba shisu aphabogi thabak tawrubane masu thawna phaba haibitai natra mai wakan ten you no wakan ten banatti adubu chin kuki jor sanarama plan mayam punos it is about 5 decades or 6 decades mamang digi 1952 dagi ngasagi t kip janna toromudi gi ngasi 70 80 years jam cool politics jam policy to machet tamne chaselak pani hani past government na su jamna light oina low khiba karim ta khallu daba Jing the catcher look at it with my son get Tobali in Impal Modison, Shakbai the Hendra Lore, Moirang Bowser, Rishang Akari, Moirang Quering Lermony, Moirang the Hendra Lore, Giri, Puramangal is Canana Mangal, Birin Singmana Palaman, Munate, Mawagi Mishin, Mapan people, Tom Jelagala Loremony. Then there was laxity. And there was a very lack of interest of Manipur, the Impala, Chief Minister Man. How great. Hojik toy be puna magat se poppy plantation ka toromni puna magpa see government se thingam da tarbadi another 10 years ke manung the Manipur have se pura history di pura mut kredamni either good or bad parents se guide not know he may be just like a wild kadena wild elephant khangde ama khangde mang khang khang man khar toru se phagdra inde toru man torun da tarbadi any successor mo lakutadi Manipur puari se dum chin kuki jogi puari on kredoni both sides, it is right. Opposition yes, I strongly charge the government of India. Opposition why Prime Minister, why he doesn't take any interest to come. Maka kui kajiranga da lai shasan yengba khopadi yamna kajiranga na krabuga lai man nahar lagunda chali adigi kui kanadika kui Arunachal Pradesh ta bhajan my aeroplane there around 10,000 crore rumpi ba my aeroplane ni minute kun ma thoi kita changi ba Imphal la lapad ma lau yadris karigina kari reason no Prime Minister sahab nang no koi inthok pedi karigina na koi naura thamalga chin kuki jo no mai na kafal ga suspension of operation da leiba milisigani ge chahung no mai me am ko to pahil ta holga nangi army adugam leiriba adigi paramilitary leiriba CAPF leiriba pura waqt किस लिए भेजे आपने करिए तब तुम कोई करी तो है ना ब्लाइन मोई ड्रामा साना बोलाई ब्रो हाय रोड आर्मी की जनरल करी है कि वो ड्रोन कैसे कुकी ना तो वो खोपनते मिटे ने शो तौदरे को कुकी ने शो तौदरे यारे ने अजूरी आर्मी ने था ले रहा जनरल आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन असम राइफल के डायरेक्टर जनरल PC नायर दैट फेलो मान वाम हैदराबाद के असम राइफल पुल में तुबिन लेबा हलल लेबा तो होली पुल में से भारत सरकार ई वर solely responsible. Yes, Biren happened to be the chief minister of BJP government. Masu karimta to ungamdre Bharat Sarkar nannam dharage thamme. Adrasi pula se both sides the Biren sapu chebu jaba chebu opposition party punamak mai makhong parso chingdabiu aduga mana tawri sabute khanda de jebu. Karana tawrum manu se tawrum da tari chi tara matun Manipuri history Manipur puari se mutkar da bani. Opposition charges do not take a very serious way, but take it serious way. Don't take it otherwise. President government, chief minister, the government. Apabos suggestion ni hai lobiu. Okay. Hai bisam thamji. Okay, Babung, thank you very much.